Hello, today we have a nice and quick update for you. We are in Copilot 365. We are starting from Teams, but you can have the same experience starting Copilot from Outlook, the new Outlook, or directly from Copilot in Edge. In the right side, you have now two buttons. One is Copilot, the other one is the Visual Creator. You can click on it, and from here you can directly create a new image. Let's see what I'm going to create. The experience is that one of Microsoft Designer, so I think that in the future more feature will come. I think that what is now available through the Designer app will directly available from this starting point. But let's see if it's a nice image or not. Okay, we have our humanoid on the beach taking the sun. Ciao.